It's more than likely that everyone in the world has come into contact with a product tested on an animal. From cleaning supplies to makeup to medication, anything we touch or consume has probably been tested. Animal testing is an old and common method for testing the safety of products before releasing to the general public. It's inaccurate, outdated, and kills animals every single day, yet it's still legal, and it needs to be stopped. Why would a method that's been proven inaccurate still be allowed to occur every day? In an article titled Limitations and Dangers, it states that the FDA estimates close to 92% of tests that pass in animals fail in humans. The most common false positives are in prescription drugs. Just like humans, animals react differently to different medications. So one animal's reaction to a drug does not ensure that another animal will have the same reaction, let alone another species. Many people argue that since we share DNA with the animals being tested on, we should yield similar results. This makes sense, but just because we share DNA with animals like monkeys, rabbits, mice, and birds, our genes are expressed differently. And because our genes are expressed differently, we react differently to stimuli. Animal testing in cosmetics has never been extremely accurate. This is due to the fact that a wide variety of skin types are grouped into one category. Who is to say that my skin will react the same as a rabbit's, or a monkey's, or even the same as yours? Humans are paying the price for this erroneous animal testing. In 2000, a drug called Vioxx was released to help treat arthritis pain. It yielded positive results in animals. After only 4 years on the market, it was taken off when it killed 60,000 people. Not only is animal testing inaccurate, it's outdated. More accurate methods have become available since the faultiness had been noted. Since just 1985, the faultiness in animal testing has increased by 86%. And new methods have been proven to be quicker, cheaper, and humane. So why aren't we trying them? Some examples of alternate methods of animal testing are microdosing, in vitro testing, and epiderm. Microdosing deals with administering minuscule amounts of medication to a human and studying the effects on a cellular level. In vitro testing deals with watching the reactions of a medication on real human cells in a test tube. Epiderm is a material that was created to be as similar to skin as possible. It looks like skin, it feels like skin, and it has the same corrosive properties, making it a great candidate to be used in tests for fragrances, makeup, and cleaning supplies. Because animal testing is so inaccurate and outdated, more than 100 million animals are dying annually from the effects. This atrocious number does not even include mice, rats, birds, or fish, because these animals are not protected by the Animal Welfare Act. In a class survey I took, not one person knew that over 100 million animals died each year from animal testing. In the year 2015, the United States government claimed that they reduced the number of animals used in testing. We still killed 800,000 animals that year due to the effects. The biggest problem of animal testing is in China. China legally requires every company that releases a product to the public to test on animals before release. And animals feel the full effect of every test and procedure done. They receive no anesthesia and no medication. They often feel results like these. And if you think that it's just a shot, it's not. They are meant to be irritated. The tests are put in their eyes, in their skin, in their mouth, and under their nails. In a test called LD50, animals are force-fed chemicals that are extracted from the products being tested, like cleaning supplies and perfumes. They are force-fed until half of the population dies. Could you imagine force-feeding your animal something like this? After the studies are over, the remaining animals are left untreated or killed. In the survey that I took, 100% of you said that you felt animal testing was wrong. Yet the same 100% said it was okay as long as it was protecting humans. But it's not protecting us, it's hurting us. To wrap it up, animal testing is inhumane and heartbreaking, but this alone is not enough to make it illegal. The fact that it's inaccurate, outdated, torturous, and wasteful should be enough. If you're not yet convinced that animal testing is wrong, just imagine your pet being in the place of these animals. Imagine them being hurt and left untreated or left to die. Hopefully, our government will soon realize that the benefits of animal testing are not outweighed by the cons.